Good morning, my viewers. Once more, I welcome you to my channel, where your expectation is met, where a news update is given to you, sports, entertainment, and comedy is being brought to your doorstep to help you to be updated with the latest information. My today caption is Buhari to Igbo leaders. Your demand for Nnamdi Kanu release is heavy. I will consider it. President Muhammadu Buhari says the unconditional release of Nnamdi Kanu leaders of by outlaw indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, currently standing trial, run contrary to the doctrine of separation of power between the executive and the judiciary. So Buhari was comparing Mr. Nnamdi Kanu case as the four arms of government, where decision taking is not done by the judiciary alone, but must involve other arms of government, meaning that he is not buying the idea of the Igbo's leader. Mr. Femi, the presidential spokesman, in his statement on Friday in Abuja, said the president made the comments after receiving a group under the great aegis of highly respected Igbo greats, led by First Republic Parliament and Minister of Aviation, Chief Mbazulike Amaechi, of the State House, Abuja. Mr. Femi said that Buhari told the 93-year-old statesman that their request is a difficult one for him to handle as a leader of the country because of the implications of their request, which is very serious. Muhammadu Buhari said that in about 6 years since he became president, nobody would say I have confronted him or interfered in the work of judiciary, meaning that Mr. Muhammadu Buhari is implying that Nnamdi Kanu release is not up to 75 guarantee by his statements. After the brief chatting between Mr. President and the great Igbo, Mr. Muhammadu Buhari thanked the group and praised God for clear head and sound memory at the age of 93 years old, and also gave them his word to release IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu on 10 February 2023. But while stressing his policy of non-interference with judiciary, he said that when Nnamdi Kanu jumped bail, got arrested, and was brought back into the country, I said the best thing was to subject him to the judiciary system. Let him make his case in court instead of giving negative impression of the country from outside. I feel it is even they favor to give him the judiciary opportunity. The non-Nigeria has described the situation in the southeast as a painful and pathetic one, lamenting that business has collapsed, education crumbling, and that there is fear everywhere in the southeast. But Mr. Azulike pleaded to Mr. President to release Nnamdi Kanu to him with a promise to control the activities of IPOB because he is a respected person in Igbo land. Mr. President Muhammadu Buhari told the group that he wants them to remember as a person who saw Nigeria burning, and you must quench the fire. In addition, he gave them a presidential word that IPOB leader in the person of Nnamdi Kanu will be released to him comes up 10th February 2023. The order of those who moved in the visiting delegation were 1. Chukwu Emeka Ezife, former governor of Anambra State. 2. Bishop Sunday Onaha of the Methodist Church. 3. Chief Godi Wazulike, former president of Igbo. And 4th, Social Club Group Aka Ikega and Mr. Tagbo Amarachi. These are the Igbo leaders who went to meet with President Muhammadu Buhari on 19th November, where Muhammadu Buhari received them in the State House and they dialogued, and he gave them a presidential words that comes up 2020, 10th of February 2023. He's going to release Nnamdi Kanu. To all my viewers, remember, all you need to help me do is just to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Comment, because your comment is really needed. Until I bring to you another new or fresh update, remember, always click and subscribe to Omejon Media to get yourself updated. Wish you all the best day can offer. Till we meet again, God bless you all.